In ArcGIS Pro, you can search businesses and facilities using an interactive workflow. To learn more, let's open the workflow from the Business Analysis menu. Here, I can enter any keyword, choose all available businesses from a database of over 12 million records updated annually, and limit the search to a specific boundary. As part of a competitive analysis, I want to find all insurance adjuster offices in Massachusetts. I'll simply search the keyword insurance to begin my workflow. On the next page, I have several options to filter and refine the results, which begin at nearly 12,000 listings inside my map view. I can choose the name of the business or a specific city, but let's narrow the list to the state of Massachusetts. Now this shows approximately 4,300 results. And if we further sort by industry classification, only insurance adjusters with addresses listed in the state will be considered. When I click Finish, the point feature is saved to my project and the results are added to the map. I can switch to use online data or local data by setting my Business Analyst data source. In addition to the workflow, the Business Search is available as a geoprocessing tool to automate my work and add the results into a model. Thanks for watching.